My name's Josh, and today we're going to finish up that subfloor that we started the other day. If you watched the previous video, you know I got about 3/4 of it done. Today I'm just going to show you how you finish up the edges. And if you're new to this channel is all about building your own house and saving a ton of money, so be sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell so you get a notification every time I release a new video. All right, let's get the day going. It rained overnight and the floor joists are still a little wet, but that's okay because the adhesive we're using is okay to use on frozen and wet joists. All right, if you look there, it says penetrates wet, frozen, and treated lumber. Ideal for bonding to most common building materials. When you crack a new tube of glue is, even though you release the pressure here, it still wants to ooze out. So as a little tip, overhang the side of the subfloor. I forgot to do that. Whoops. The only thing I'm liberal about is my glue on my subfloor. See that? You want to put a fair amount on there, that way you get plenty of coverage. This stuff is important. Right, Gerald?
Yep, and keep it from squeaking.
All right, guys, it's starting to rain, but I'm kind of limited because I worked my full-time job 3 days in a row here after tomorrow, so I gotta get this stuff done. All right, guys, I gotta get out of here. It's raining pretty hard. I get my tools covered so that way I don't ruin them. All right, I'm going to resume this later. Back out here, I had to take a long lunch. It finally quit. It was like a 2-hour lunch because the rain just would not stop. And every time we'd come back out here, it would start again. So just let it clear up. It's probably going to last for another couple hours. So we better get started. But I changed my shirt because it was soaking wet. Let's do this. All right, here's us working really fast to try to beat the rain. No, I'm just kidding. This is a nice little time lapse. Look how fast those clouds are moving. How cool is that? But yeah, let me know in the comments below. What do you think about these time lapse clips? I'm curious to see if you like them or not. Or if you'd rather me delete them and trash them in the trash can. All right, you just seen me finish up the rest of those full sheets, me and Gerald. And right here it is, looking pretty good. Now you can see here, there's parts of the edge that need finished behind me as well. So now we're gonna rip some strips and get them put down so we can finish this sucker up. All right, guys, it's starting to rain again. So we're gonna put the tools away, but as you can see here, we got everything pretty well done. Just gotta trim off some edges. And like if you look over here, that edge needs trimmed off yet. And need to finish that edge there. But we'll do that tomorrow. It's supposed to be sunny all day. So be sure to subscribe, hit that like button. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Now I'm gonna get a subfloor done with this rain.
Woo! Look at all this!
I mean, that is a rain.